We will discuss the simple microscope, construction, working, and finally we will derive expression for its magnification. Simple microscope is a device to see nearby very minute objects. Construction wise, it is simple biconvex lens fitted in a plastic case. This simple microscope is also known as magnifier or reading lens. How the erect, virtual and magnified image is formed, we will come to know through this ray diagram. So, this is the simple biconvex lens, its focal length is f. The object AB, small object AB is kept in front of it at distance x. X is the object distance. How the image formed? The light ray which is parallel to principal axis passes to the focus. Light ray which is along optical center without any deviation. So, these two rays cannot intersect each other. So, real image is not possible. So, for virtual image, when you extend the refracted ray in the backward direction, let A dash is the intersection point. So, A dash, B dash is the image of object AB. This is magnified, virtual and erect. This is the observer's eye. Now, the image distance is capital D because this image is formed at least distance of the distinct vision, and V is basically the least distance of distinct vision. Alpha and beta are the visual angle subtended by object and image when both are lying at least distance of distinct vision. Now, how we will get the expression for magnification? The magnification of simple microscope is given by ratio of visual angle subtended by image to the visual angle subtended by object, provided both are lying at least distance of the distinct vision. So, for knowing the value of m in terms of known parameter, beta and alpha can be written as tan beta upon tan alpha. This is equation number 1. Now, we will find out the value of tan beta and tan alpha. For tan beta, we will take up right angle triangle ABO. In ABO, tan beta is equal to AB upon OB. AB upon OB. Similarly, for tan alpha, we will take up right angle triangle NB dash O. So, tan alpha is equal to NB dash upon OB, NB dash upon OB. Or if you come to the diagram, NB dash is equal to the height of the object. So, NB dash can be replaced by AB. So, value of tan beta and tan alpha we will put up in equation number 1. So, now magnification is given by AB upon OB by OB dash. When you simplify, then it will be like this, and here you will find AB cancel. So, now we have magnification BO dash upon OB. BO dash is basically the image distance or OB is the object distance. If you apply the sign convention, so value of OB will be minus x and value of OB dash will be minus d. So, when we put the value minus d upon minus x, minus minus again cancel out. So, m is equal to d by x. Now, what we will do? We have to find out the value in the known parameter. So, we will use the length equation. Length equation is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now, we will put the value of V and U. Already we know V is equal to minus D and U is equal to minus X. So, when we put the value 1 by minus D minus 1 by minus F is equal to 1 by F. When you simplify with sign adjustment, minus 1 by D plus 1 by F is equal to 1 by F. So, 1 by X is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by F. We need value of D by X for equation number 2. So, what we will do, we will multiply both the sides by capital D. So, D by F is equal to D by D plus D by F. So, D by D means 1. it means d by x is equal to 1 plus d by f. Let this is equation number 3. So, value of d by x from equation 3 we will put in equation number 2. So, when you put, then we have the magnification expression 1 plus d by f. So, this is the final expression for magnification of simple microscope provided the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, and if you know the focal length of the biconvex lens, you can calculate by this formula the magnification, because the least distance of distinct vision value is 25 centimeters. So, this formula is very useful to find the magnification of simple microscope provided the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision.